Utep to all the kings and queens. Utep to all the gods and goddesses. My name is Scrappy Consudea. Yeah, that Chile protest going on. Man. It's not no terrorists doing the bombings right now. People are uprising. Look at that shit. That look just like out of Hollywood movies. Yeah. This got to be the most unfuckable protest I ever seen. It has to be the most we not fucking around protest I ever seen. Look at that shit. Chile. All going on in Chile. Yeah, these people are not joking. They're furious. I wonder why. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the video on the channel. That helps me a lot, family. Look at the police ducking for cover. That dude went up with a rod or stick or I don't know what, and slamming on them. Was that light up in the sky? Some fire or no light posts? Light posts. Man. These people are not playing. They actually try to send the stuff inside the door of the bus, military bus. Yeah, these people busting on the bus. Bottles, sticks, stones, anything they could grab. And what is this? This looks like some kind of stadium. Yeah, some kind of stadium. Oh, it looks like an airport too. Anyways, family, like, share, and subscribe, and please share the videos. That would help me a lot. Give thanks, gratitude.